Hey guys, Taylor here with another video. Now summer is just around the corner, and one of the best ways to spend all of those summer nights is sitting next to a great fire. Now of course you could build your own fire using logs, but not everyone has access to an endless supply of wood, and so many people turn to gas fire pits. So today, we thought we'd review some of the best gas fire pits that we've found. We'll break down some of the benefits and features of each and see which might be right for you in your particular situation. As always, I will leave links to each of these products in the descriptions below, so feel free to check them out there. And if we do happen to find any deals or discounts on any of these, we'll also throw those down for you as well. Up first, we have the best overall gas fire pit, and that's going to be the Endless Summer 30-inch Outdoor Propane Gas Fire Pit. Now this is a really gorgeous looking fire pit with enough warmth to keep everyone toasty even after the sun dips down. It has a square table style and produces 50,000 BTUs of heat and runs on a 20-pound propane tank that actually tucks neatly out of sight in the steel cabinet. As I mentioned, it has a very sleek design that will fit nicely in any backyard decor. It has 12 pounds of fire glass included that fill the fire bowl and produce a shimmering flame effect. It also does have an automatic igniter to start your fire quickly, and it has a great steel insert to cover the fire bowl when it's not in use. The unit weighs 80 pounds, measures 30 inches by 30 inches square, and stands 25.14 inches high. So if you're just looking for the best overall gas fire pit, then definitely check out the Endless Summer 30-inch Outdoor Propane Gas Fire Pit. Next up, we have the best bang for the buck, and that's going to be the Giantex Gas Fire Pit, 28-inch, 40,000 BTU propane. Now this fire pit is truly unique. It gives that classic rustic fire pit look to any backyard space while not having to rely on logs. It has a natural stonework design, and it produces 40,000 BTUs of radiant warmth and reflective flames. It also comes with lava rocks which create natural looking flames, and it also has a stainless steel fire bowl and a 10-foot connection hose and tank seat so you can tuck a propane tank out of sight. It also does feature a cover so you're not going to get things like leaves or dirt in it when you're not using it. In terms of measurements, it measures in at 28 inches in diameter and stands 9.5 inches high and weighs about 50 pounds. We really love the realistic stone look on this one, and if you think you'd like to add that classic fire pit look to your backyard, then definitely check out the Giantex Gas Fire Pit. Next up, we have the best table style, and that's going to be the Outland Living 401 Series Outdoor Gas Fire Table. Now this is a great table option. It measures a full 44 inches long, and it functions both as a full-size coffee table, which means it can hold drinks and plates, and it also has a relaxing, mood-setting fireplace in the middle. It features 15.5 pounds of Arctic ice fire glass, and the cabinet beneath will conceal a 20-pound propane tank. It produces 35,000 BTUs of heat and comes in a choice of colors including espresso brown or slate gray. This one is very durable and sturdy. It weighs in at 96 pounds and measures 32 inches in width and tops out at 23 inches high. It also has a convenient push-button igniter, and tempered glass insert is available to cover the fire bowl when you're not using it, but just to note that that is not included and will need to be purchased separately. Next up, we have the best portable fire pit, and that's going to be the Outland Firebowl Premium Outdoor Gas Fire Pit. Now this is a great option for those of you that want to take your fire pit on the go, maybe for camping, or if you're just heading over to your friend's place for a barbecue and they don't have a fire pit of their own. It's a smaller unit, which is great for tinier yards, but it does still produce a whopping 58,000 BTUs of heat, and it measures only 19 inches in diameter and stands just 11 inches high. This is a super easy to store option, so you can throw it into a garage, utility room, or closet. It also comes with 4.4 pounds of lava rocks and features high quality steel construction and a push button igniter. This one allows you to use a 20-pound propane tank with a 10-foot connector hose. It also does have a great steel cover for carrying and easy transport. Next up, we have the best mini gas fire pit, and that's going to be the Bond Manufacturing 63172 Newcastle Propane Firebowl. Now this is a great option for small groups or couples that just want to add a little bit of ambience and open flame to an area. This produces 40,000 BTUs of heat, and it'll fit nicely in any deck or backyard. It measures just under 20 inches square, it's 29 inches high, and weighs only 20 pounds. It features a stainless steel fire burner and produces flame high enough for roasting marshmallows or just adding warm fire to any gathering. It also does come with rocks for a natural look, and the propane tank hides conveniently inside the EnviroStone covered base. This is truly a beautiful option that will add a unique splash of heat and beauty to any space. Anyway guys, that's a look at some of the best gas fire pits. Hopefully if you're looking to spice up your backyard, this was helpful for you. If so, please feel free to give me a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. And just a reminder, I will leave links to each of these products in the description, so feel free to check them out there if you're interested. As well, if I do find any of those deals or discounts I mentioned, I'll throw those down for you as well. And if you do have any questions or comments, please feel free to throw those below, as I love getting to answer as many of those as possible. Otherwise, guys, thanks so much for watching today. Stay safe out there, and I will see you in the next video.